What if your broken pieces were not something to hide, but the most beautiful part of you? A shattered bowl, a cracked heart, a failed dream, a scar from the past. Most of us try to glue them back invisibly, pretending they never happened. But in Japan, there is an ancient art that does the opposite. It repairs the broken with pure gold, making the cracks the highlight, the scars the centerpiece. This is Kintsugi, golden joinery. It teaches that breakage and repair are not failures, but essential parts of a thing's history and beauty. The philosophy behind it has helped samurai, artists, and ordinary people turn their deepest wounds into sources of quiet strength and authentic radiance for over 500 years. In the late 15th century, during the turbulent Muromachi period, a shogun's favorite tea bowl shattered. Instead of discarding it or hiding the damage, the craftsman repaired it with lacquer mixed with gold powder. When the shogun saw the glowing golden veins running through the cracks, he was moved to tears. What was once ordinary had become extraordinary, more valuable and beautiful because it had been broken. That moment birthed a philosophy that spread across Japan. Samurai began to see their battle scars, lost battles, and personal failures the same way, not as shame, but as golden lines in their life story. Zen monks used it as a meditation on impermanence and resilience. Today, Kintsugi is more relevant than ever in a world where people feel broken by failure, heartbreak, burnout, or trauma. This video explores the 5 profound lessons of Kintsugi. You'll learn its history, the mindset shift it demands, practical ways to apply it to your own life, and why embracing your cracks can make you stronger and more beautiful than before. If you carry regrets, scars, or broken dreams you've been trying to hide, Kintsugi offers a gentle, powerful way to heal, not by erasing, but by highlighting with gold. Comment below right now. What is one broken part of your life, a failure, a loss, a scar, a regret, that you're ready to stop hiding? Naming it is the first repair. And if this speaks to your heart, subscribe and hit the bell. Ronin Wisdom is here to help you turn wounds into wisdom. Kintsugi is deeply connected to Wabi Sabi, the celebration of imperfection and impermanence. While Wabi Sabi appreciates the cracked bowl as it is, Kintsugi actively repairs it, making the damage visible and valuable. It emerged from the Japanese tea ceremony, chanoyu, where humility, simplicity, and authenticity were prized. A perfect, expensive bowl was seen as cold and lifeless. A repaired one, with its golden seams, told a story of survival and care. The process itself is meditative. Broken pieces are carefully gathered, edges aligned with precision, and joined with urushi lacquer mixed with gold, silver, or platinum powder. The repair takes time, sometimes weeks or months, teaching patience and respect for the object's journey. No attempt is made to hide the cracks. Instead, they are celebrated. Samurai adopted this philosophy in their own lives. A warrior who survived a near-fatal wound would carry the scar proudly, like a golden line across his body, proof of resilience. In modern Japan, Kintsugi is used in therapy for trauma survivors, in business for failing forward, and even in personal growth as a metaphor for emotional healing. Psychology and neuroscience now support what Japanese artisans knew intuitively. Hiding or denying our breaks creates shame and fragmentation. Acknowledging and beautifying them activates self-compassion circuits in the brain, reducing self-criticism and increasing resilience. A 2025 study from Tokyo University found that people who practiced Kintsugi mindset exercises reported 40% higher self-acceptance and 35% lower rumination on past failures. Lesson 1. Breakage is inevitable. Stop fighting. Everything breaks. Bowls, hearts, plans, bodies, dreams. The first step of Kintsugi is radical acceptance. Breakage is not a mistake. It is part of the object's life. The craftsman does not curse the shattered bowl. He gathers every piece with care. Samurai understood this deeply. Defeat was not the end, but a new chapter. In your life, This means stopping the war against your past mistakes. The job you lost, the relationship that ended, the dream that didn't work. These are not evidence that you are broken. They are the cracks that will soon hold gold. Practice. Write down one major break in your life. Instead of, "Why did this happen to me?" ask, "What story does this crack tell?" Sit with it gently for 10 minutes. This single shift from resistance to acceptance is the foundation of all healing. Lesson 2. Gather the pieces with care. Honor every fragment. Kintsugi artists never throw away even the smallest shard. Every piece belongs. This teaches respect for all parts of yourself, the strong and the wounded, the successful and the failed. Many of us discard painful memories or shame-filled chapters. Kintsugi says, keep them. They are essential to the final beauty. Takeshi's story, from our earlier videos, fits here. After losing everything, he didn't bury his grief. He gathered it, the shame, the anger, the fear, and brought it to his master. Only by honoring every piece could the gold be applied. Your practice. Create a Kintsugi journal. Every evening, note one fragment from your day. A small failure, a harsh word you said, a moment of weakness. Write it without judgment. Over time, you'll see how these fragments become the beautiful lines in your story. Lesson 3. Repair with gold. Highlight the scars. The magic of Kintsugi is that the repair is more valuable than the original. The gold doesn't hide the crack, it celebrates it. In life, this means transforming wounds into wisdom. Your biggest failures often become your greatest teachers and strengths. The heartbreak that taught you self-worth, the business collapse that taught you resilience, the mistake that taught you humility. Neuroscience shows that reframing scars this way increases self-compassion and post-traumatic growth. People who practice golden repair thinking show higher life satisfaction and emotional flexibility. Your drill? Choose one scar or failure. Write the story as if you were repairing a bowl. This crack happened here. I repaired it with lesson, growth, new strength. Now it shines with gold. Read it aloud. Feel the shift from shame to pride. Lesson 4. Patience and precision. Healing takes time. Kintsugi cannot be rushed. The lacquer must dry slowly, layer by layer. Forcing it ruins the piece. This is the hardest lesson for modern people. We want instant healing, quick fixes, overnight transformation. Kintsugi teaches that true repair is slow, deliberate, and respectful of the process. Samurai trained for years with patience. One small improvement at a time. This is Kaizen meeting Kintsugi. Your practice. Pick one area you want to heal. Self-worth, a relationship wound, a habit. Commit to one small, patient action every day for 30 days. No big leaps. Just steady, golden repair. Track it. You will feel the quiet strength building. Lesson 5. The finished piece is more valuable. Scars make you stronger. A perfectly new bowl is ordinary. A Kintsugi bowl is unique, priceless, full of history. The same is true for a human life. People who have been broken and beautifully repaired carry a depth, empathy, and radiance that untouched lives rarely have. Their scars don't weaken them. They make them irreplaceable. Real stories. A woman who survived domestic abuse started a support group. Her golden cracks became her greatest gift to others. A failed entrepreneur who lost everything rebuilt with humility and now mentors young startups. Their lives shine brighter because of the gold in their seams. Kintsugi is not just an art form, it is a way of life. It invites you to stop hiding your cracks and start illuminating them. To treat yourself and others with the same care a master craftsman gives to a broken bowl. In a world that celebrates perfection and filters, Kintsugi offers radical honesty and radical beauty. It says, you are not broken beyond repair. Your scars are where the light enters and where the gold will shine. Your 90-day Kintsugi journey, weeks 1 to 2. Gather your fragments, journal your breaks without judgment. Weeks 3 to 4. Practice patience. one small, daily repair action. Weeks 5 to 6, reframe with gold. Write the lesson and strength each crack gave you. Weeks 7 to 8, share your story. Tell one person about a golden scar. Weeks 9 to 12, live as the repaired bowl. Carry your history with pride and gentleness. Expect tenderness, tears, and surprising strength. The process itself is healing. The next time you see a flaw in yourself or your life, remember the Kintsugi bowl. It is not less valuable because it was broken. It is more beautiful, more meaningful, more alive. You are not a mistake for having cracks. You are a masterpiece in progress, glowing with golden lines that tell the story of your courage, your survival, and your growth. If this video touched something deep inside you, like it, subscribe, and comment one crack you're ready to repair with gold. Let's heal beautifully together. Arigato, and may your scars shine bright.